Okay, so we are in phase of discussing that one person is going in the rain, and one person somehow he is caught in the rain and he is drenched in the rain. He is wet in the rain. He remained in the rain for some time, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. And then after that, after one day, he is feeling fever. It happens to everyone. Anyone who comes under rain, comes constant rain for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, next day morning he will feel fever. Okay, same rainwater if someone collects, and without knowing that it is a rainwater, and he takes bath with that rainwater for 15 minutes, he does not have any. There are many reasons in India itself where people store rainwater, and full year they use rainwater for drinking purpose, taking bath, all the household activity. They do through rainwater only. Typical example for this is Lakshadweep, Rajasthan, where pollution is zero. Typically, people claim that why someone get fever out of the rainwater is because that rainwater has acid in it, and when acid comes into the skin, then person start getting fever. That is completely false statement. But anyway, there are regions in the world where there is no acid. Why rainwater contains acid? Because rain is a vapor. Vapor does not have any acid. Rainwater contains acid because the vapor comes in contact with the air, and air is polluted. If carbon dioxide is too much, then carbonic acid it makes. If SO2, sulfur dioxide is too much, then H2SO4, sulfuric acid is made. If nitrogen oxide is there, nitrogen dioxide or whatsoever, it make nitric acid. So the typically the rain water, the pH level is 5.6, that is acidic in nature. But if you go on ocean very far where no one is there, some island, and if it rains there, certainly there won't be a acid because there is no pollution at all. There is no carbon dioxide, nothing is there. Okay, in that fashion, rainwater will be pure. But there also, if someone is coming under rain for 15, 20 minutes, he will catch fever. Whereas if someone is taking bath there with the stored rainwater, he will not catch anything. Now, what is the truth behind it? That rainwater causing fever, whereas the stored rainwater is not causing any fever. This is called energy science. Energy science, while it is raining, just imagine that you are going on a road and there are forests and something like that, and then you suddenly come into rain. Actually, you are coming into the power of rain system by the God somehow that you don't know. There is a raining system made by the God where cloud will be there and it will rain. It is something like in a very broad area you are taking a shower. You are taking a shower in a bathroom, then it is very small area is there, and in a very confined area you are taking the bath. Okay, if somebody has made a water tank above the house and then water falls in a pipe and then it falls in a shower, that full system has one energy. Makes sense? If someone has made a house, on top of the house, he has kept one water tank. From water tank through pipe, water is coming to the bathroom and through shower. Person is taking, I'm trying to match the rain. That person is trying to take the shower. Okay, actually, you are coming under why someone goes to a particular hospital. Same medicine he is taking, he gets cured. But same person, if someone is giving him a same medicine when he is living at house, a person who is an ailing person, he has some disease, and in his house he is getting one set of pack of medicine and he is taking, and no change he is seeing, but he is getting admitted in a particular hospital. Same set of medicine they will give to him, but he is getting cured. Why it is so? Because when you getting into the hospital, admitted into hospital, hospital has one energy level. You're trying to enter into that energy level. Your body, mind is coming in at that energy level. So first of all, your energy level is growing, and then at that energy level, probably that medicine will suit more. If you have high energy, if people remember Mahabharat, where the kind of if people know it, this episode, there is, I believe, there is a Durvasa Muni. Durvasa Muni. And Durvasa Muni, Miss, Miss, there is a person called Duryodhan, and he is inviting Durvasa Muni. He is giving big respect to him, and then he is asking to go to the jungle or forest where the Pandavas are living there in a kind of a 14-year forester was given to them. You have to stay in 13 year in some forest or something like that. And there they are living there. You go there and ask for the food. They cannot arrange the food because five people, six people are there. They cook food for the six people. One, they cannot arrange the food for you because you will go with all your disciples, hundreds and thousands of disciples along with you. You will go there and then ask, since you are a saint, they have to feed you. Then where they will feed you? Okay, you go there. Then Durvasa Muni is going there and asking Panchali for the food. And he is with hundreds, hundred and thousand disciples along with him. And he's saying, I'm going to river to take the bath. Okay. And then now Panchali is thinking that for 1,000 people, 2,000 people, all of a sudden how she can cook food. Then Krishna is coming there. And he is again asking for the food. That I want to eat something. But they had finished the food. Okay, there was nothing in the house. Okay, when Krishna asked for the vessel in which she has cooked the food, there was one rice or one something was there that was left there. Otherwise, there was nothing out there. He takes that rice in his on his tongue, and then that's it. Durvasa Muni and all his disciples suddenly they start feeling they are completely fed up till here. Suddenly, they do not know what happened while taking bath. All of a sudden, they are feeling that they have eaten till their neck only. Now, how they will go there? If they go there and asking for food, and then if you are asking for food and you went river to the take the bath, all of a sudden you cannot eat one rice, one two rice, one spoon or two in a spoon, if I say, or in one hand, two hand, core it is called in India. That much you cannot. You have to eat full food. Then how you will eat food? Then rather than cursing Panchali, you will get cursed. You are trying to deliberately trouble someone. If you are trying to deliberately trouble someone, then what actually concept was to curse them. Since they could not arrange food for the saints, then you will curse them. But if you are not able to eat the food, then you will get cursed. Okay, and you cannot go there and then full food will be there in front of you. And you had asked for the food and you will eat one or two times one. That you cannot do. You have to eat full food. Okay, and in that manner, Durvasa Muni and his disciples they ran away from there only. This is called power of energy level. Krishna maintained a high energy level. At high energy level, if you eat one rice grain also, then you will feel high energetic. This is called energy level. Energy level of your body is very high. Then one grain of food is also enough to satisfy 1,000 people. Similarly, if person is going to hospital and hospital energy level is very high and person is coming to that energy level for God's sake, then he is taking same medicine, then effect will be very high. He is getting cured in 10 days only and he is running back. Whereas same medicine he was taking at home, but he was not getting cured. This is called level of energy. If person is taking bath in the bathroom with the full bathing system, one water tank is there and then shower is there. This is full bathing system. It has one energy level. If person is inserting head under the shower, you're trying to enter into that energy level. How much that energy level is up to there you can reach at that moment. That's why people they fit shower in their bathroom. Though you can take bath with the bucket also, but with bucket energy level is less. With the shower, full system energy level is higher. People enjoy more. Makes sense? This is called shifting the energy level. If you are taking bath in rain, you are coming to very big energy level. Makes sense? Very big means clouds are there and in kilometers it is raining. And when you hit your head in the water, suddenly your body comes to that energy level. Suddenly. And then body will start rising its energy level. The body will start rising its energy level so that it will fit into the God's energy level. that lightning is going on, and then wind is going on. If you see the tree, full tree is swinging like this, and in that your brain is trying to fit over there. If that is the case, if brain is trying, their energy level will grow. Then what will happen? Why I get fever then? Energy level will grow. Every person has toxication in the body. That is the physiology. That is also called oxidant. People would have heard medicine called antioxidant. They will take out all the poison, toxics in your body, or called oxidants in your body. The oxidants, a person who has more oxidants, if body starts to come to higher energy level, the oxidants will start working more. They will come to activity. This is nature of human body. I believe it is all right. Okay, what I'm trying to say, a person who has more toxicity in the body, toxicity will protect, toxicity will create resistance to come to higher energy level. Means body will try to come to a higher level, level energy, what God has made at that time. Okay, but someone stops any person to come to higher energy level. What is that is? That is called oxidants or toxicity in the body. Toxicity will stop a person to come to higher level. A person has high toxicity in his body, then toxicity will start growing at that time. They will become active so that you will not come to the higher level. Someone will say negative energy in the body stops a person to rise in the energy. That negative energy or the toxicity, it will cause fever. I never catch fever. Thousands of times, not hundreds of times, thousands of times I would have come under rain. I don't carry umbrella, and here it rains always. Means 7 9 months in 1 year it rains only. Okay, so thousands of times I would have come under rain, not hundreds of times. Okay, I never catch this. This proves that the toxicity level in my body is very less. At that moment, suddenly my brain comes to that level. Okay, in fact, you enjoy it. In fact, you enjoy it. But if toxicity is high in the body, then toxicity will stop. Try to stop the person to come to higher energy level. Toxicity will start coming to active state. It is in silent state in the brain, body, everywhere. It will start become active if body start rising in the energy. When it become active, then catching person start catching fever. Okay, what you're trying to say? You're trying to say that if it is not rain, if it is any other incidents, then again person will catch a disease or okay, if not, person will catch fever. Certain, if he is not catching fever, then he will get heart attack or because of toxicity only. It means heart organ is carrying high toxicity. I don't know why. What he is eating, in what ambience he is living. Heart has more toxicity. Toxicity in the heart grew because energy level is trying to go up, and then he died of the heart attack. Something will come. Consider there is a mass protest is going on. Something happened and many leaders have come and they are doing a rally of mass protest against something. Very big noise is going on and millions of people. In India, it's not very big deal. Millions of people, 1 million, 2 people, 3 million people, they have assembled in a very big ground and mass protest is going on. You are watching it. You are watching it from a side, no problem. But if you try to become part of it, if you try to become part of it, even now you are dancing. Now you are thinking of making a statement. You are running toward the dais. That yeah, even I feel so. What you are saying in the protest of government or whatsoever, even I feel so. This is what is true. You are running toward the dais to make a speech. Probably you will die at the middle only because you're trying to come to that energy level. Whatever energy level is being maintained, people who are protesting, you are trying to get mixed with them, and then you will come to problem. Okay, what do you mean? What I mean is, if person is taking bath in the rain, and person not taking bath in the rain, there is some house and person is standing silently. Rain is going on, he is standing silently. He is not going part of it. If you are not going inside the rain, then you are not part of the system at that moment. Means your body level energy is low only. Once you become fat, suddenly body will start coming to that energy level, and then you are in trouble. If you are not in trouble, then you will enjoy it. If in case if you are going to the rain and then you are enjoying and you are not catching fever, means you are enjoying it. The toxicity level in your body is less. Okay, and he enjoyed it. Okay, my toxicity level in my body is very high. Still I'm not catching fever. Probably your body did not try to come to that energy level. That is also possible, but I don't know how it is possible. But this theoretically, this can be the reason. Okay, if you are watching a mass protest is going on but you are not part of it, you are just watching from side, nothing will happen. But if you once you try to go inside it, suddenly, then you will be in trouble. Many people they get heart attack of it. If there is a big quarrel is going on, big quarrel is going on. People are quarreling. Okay, big quarrel is going on. You are watching from side, no problem. All of a sudden you feel that you are part of the quarrel. Whatever is going on, actually you are also part of it. Then slowly you are getting interested and you are trying to get part of it. After some time you are getting heart attack. When you were watching it from outside, no problem. But when you try to, because when quarrel is going on, their energy level is very high. If you try to enter into that, then gone. Okay, we have given example of Uttar Pradesh election. Uttar Pradesh Panchayat, I was seeing it. Uttar Pradesh Panchayat election, it happened in 2021-22 time frame. December, January time frame, Panchayat election in Uttar Pradesh happened in 3 years. It happened in three stages, three phases. In next two phases, only 720 teachers got died while they were in the election duty. Teacher, teacher who are not involved in the who are not known for high level, not police people that they will do lathi charge or whatsoever. Simple teacher, they were conducting panchayat election in India. That is considered a lowest profile election. Okay, there they were facilitating. They were in the election duty. What they would be doing, their teachers, what they would be doing there during the election, they would be kind of manipulating the voter ID card and asking for voter ID card, making a tick mark on the paper. Okay, this person has done the voting. Okay, like that paper maintenance they will be sitting in a room silently. If any person is coming, okay, ask for the voter ID card. Then whatever the printout is, then make a tick sign. Then ask him go and vote. That's it. In that 720 people died. Teachers, they died in first two phases. And all three phases I was seeing around 1,340 teachers died. Means whatever, someone will say that was the corona period. But okay, when they were outside, they did not have corona. There, many teachers died of heart attack. Okay, means whatever the electioneering process is going on, people are coming and outside maintenance. That has an energy level. The teacher they try to enter into that, and then they are gone. Okay, I believe we will discuss more on it. This is not that simple topic. That is what I am thinking. Then we will talk about the remedy of it. What is the remedy? If person is catching fever or person is getting heart pain, I'm not saying he is died. For God's sake, no one should die. If person suddenly he is getting, I have seen people. I can give one example. One person is living very nice life. Then somehow he is getting a government job. He applied somewhere and he got the job, government job. And government job, he has to go somewhere. Government job is not at the place where he is living in his village. Now he has to go to somewhere else. While living, he all of a sudden he started getting stomach ache, very severe pain. Very severe pain. I don't know what happened after it. I don't want to know. Okay, this is called he was trying to get into a government sector energy level. He was trying to enter into that, and all of a sudden, from many there can be thousands of examples where change in energy level people get the problem. Okay, what is the funda? We'll talk. We talk corona cases and we have data for it. What is the fundamental behind it? When you are going for change in energy level, Please mind it. Don't all of sudden jump from one location to another location. If you are a weak person, or if you know that your toxicity level is high, you are under some treatment, then never go to the rain. Never ever. If you feel it will rain or something like that, don't go outside. If you are outside, then make sure that you keep the umbrella. If you keep the umbrella, then you are making a screening. You are making a boundary between government, God, and you. Means you are in smaller space now, not in the broader space. That is umbrella. Makes sense? If you put like umbrella, then you came to a local energy level, umbrella energy level, not to the God energy level. So it is good that if you change your energy level, but because of change of energy level only, crores of people died in corona. No, 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 no. I know corona has virus, and virus killed people. Because of the virus, death then it was a fever. If you check after the rain also, heart of lungs of a person who is suffering from fever, there may be virus. Then you will say virus came out of the rain. Where from it came out of the rain? Rain went through skin, it entered or whatsoever. Rainwater, if you take, there won't be any virus at all. Where from virus came? If virus came from somewhere, then in corona also virus came from somewhere. If there is change in energy level, then change will be seen through this kind of philosophy only. If this philosophy is right, then I did not catch corona, and I did not catch corona. If you understand the science of energy level, you will not catch any disease. I am one of the person who never catch any disease. Never ever. For years and years, I have never taken any medicine. Never. I never catch any disease. Never. People who are watching me regularly, they would have seen me. Okay, I did not catch corona. I did not take any injection also. No immunization. Did not take any immunization. I did not catch corona. I did not wear mask also. I was keeping mask in case on the road if someone is there, then you have to wear so that he should not feel that you are not wearing mask. Otherwise, it is not required. If you understand the concept of energy, and Sir Einstein was the first person who talked about energy. Otherwise, prior to him, everyone was talking about law of mass, law of temperature, law of thermodynamics, law of this. There are thousands and thousands of laws are there in physics prior to Albert Einstein. Okay, if you see Newton, then so many laws are there. Every action have equal and opposite reaction. Then this, if you see Darwin, then other law is there. If you see this Maxwell, other law, Laplace, other law is there. Albert Einstein was the first person who came, who said that everything is nothing but change in energy only. That's it. And energy is equal to mass into velocity square. If you have a mass and it is going with that much velocity, then it is carrying that much energy. What I'm trying to say is you take a plate so that it is flat and it is completely frictionless, complete flat in the sense that Earth, if something is moving on this plate, then Earth gravitational pull is at 90 degrees, so it will not cause any effect. Now take a ball here. There was a ball here. Okay, there is a ball here. Okay, there is a ball here, and this ball, this ball, this ball. Okay, this ball. Okay, now from hand or something that is measurable, make a hit. Okay, make a hit. When you make a hit, at that time you know how much energy you have imparted on this. How much energy you have imparted on this. Then this mass will start moving because it has received energy. Then this mass will start moving. How much velocity with it will move. mv square equal to energy. How much joule of energy you have imparted on it equal to mass, Then velocity equal to energy by mass root square root. With that velocity, it will start moving. If it is frictionless, if it is friction, then it will keep losing the energy, and the way the formula will settle down. Makes sense? Okay, means everything is form of energy only. If you understand the science of energy, then you will never catch any disease. Anyway, we will talk on it.